It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey, welcome back, and today's a good day because today's a track day. Chris has just jumped in the GR YARIS, heading out for his first laps. We've done the sighting laps. Track's a little bit damp. The rain's probably going to follow as well, but it doesn't seem to be a problem for the Yaris, which is good news. So yeah, stay tuned and check it out.
Tom's just coming in from the track. Let's find out how he found it. How was it, Tom?
Well, I thought I was going to run out of fuel.
Oh really? Red lights on.
But I had the red mist and I wanted to catch the person in front of me.
Was that the Alpine by any chance?
John, he came past me and then there was someone else and I was like, I'm going to do another lap. But the fuel light was on and I wasn't quite sure whether I had enough. But yeah, probably beginning to overdrive it a little bit now. Now it's drier, you kind of, I don't know, as it gets quicker and quicker and you don't adapt to the conditions and you start pushing a bit harder. I think it was understeering and I was running a bit wide and it was all getting a bit untidy.
Yeah.
But I think if I calm down a bit and have a bit more time with it, it'd probably do the car more of a, you know, less of a disservice, shall I say. But I think probably the tyres now aren't looking quite as good as they were earlier.
Maybe not,
but
maybe not.
Probably the other one even worse. We've done a tank of fuel. So
Done a tank of fuel. First dry track day in it, so yeah.
And we're still in one piece.
Very nice. Turn this lane discipline thing off, it's awful. It vibrates the steering and pulls you all over the place.
Yeah, you don't need any more bells or distractions. Okey-dokey, yeah. So have a good look. Make sure we're all clear as we join. So we're going to stay left till we get to the end of the grass line, left hand side. And we'll move the car to the middle, aim for the marker for the apex. And wander middle through to left for the exit. Spot on. Okay, so from the left towards the middle, fourth gear, just hold that middle groove. Ignore this curb. Obviously traffic, but normally ignore that one. So late apex is what we're looking for on the right, second curb. Let the car settle. Heading for the left just after the marker there. That's it. So from middle back over to your left hand side, nice and straight back to 3, right wheels towards the curb, and take a bit of steering off as you squeeze out towards the white line, towards the right, but not fully wide. That's it. Clip off the left side, run parallel that right side curb, stay wide till you get to the service road, and then when we can get to that point, we'll get left wheels towards that left curb. Get the car fully straight before we brake and change to 3 again. Apex is about a car length after the marker. Nicely done. So middle to late exit. Coppice, weird blind turn in. So look at the red and whites on your left. The last red square, we want to move to the curb. So curb. Keep it just left to centre. That's it. Just keep it left to centre. Ignore the curb on your right. Now you start to take the lock off. The steering's getting less. The power is getting more. That's good. So down the back straight towards Roberts. Still a bit slippy in the shadow of the exhibition centre, so nice straight wide brake in, that's it. So a little bit of right curb, a little bit of left curb, squeezing towards the curb on the right.
So finally got to drive the Yaris in the dry, and it's a totally different car to the wet. Not only is it an amazing car to drive in the wet, but having the extra level of grip, just being able to switch the traction control off and just be a bit more confident in the car is absolutely amazing. And we managed to get the 235 40 18s mounted on the raise wheels for this, and the way the car is just balanced, predictable, quite neutral feeling, and it encourages you to push on is just something I don't think I've really experienced in a road car. Essentially, we haven't done anything other than the springs, the wider wheels, the wider tyres, and for me that is the ultimate thing, to be able to drive a road car to a track day, go around all day and drive it home with no issues. It's just been a fantastic day. We're going to jump back out on track, do a couple more sessions just before it gets dark. So what more could you ask from a car than to be able to drive it to a track day, drive around all day, no problems whatsoever. All you've got to do is fill up with fuel. We've had a brilliant day, and it just leaves me asking the question, why would you want more from a car than the Yaris can offer? It's incredible value for money, really driver focused. Performance, as everyone knows, is amazing, and yeah, we're thrilled to bits with this car and look forward to the next one.